Hey Atlanta property viewers, today we are in the beautiful city of Conyers at a new construction townhome community, Old Salem Crossings. These spacious new construction townhomes are built by Rocklyn Homes. This is the Linton Floorplan. This plan has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,745 square feet. It's priced right at $289,900. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.